Today we're going to be looking at the difference between monomers and polymers. Remember, you need to be able to accurately define what a monomer is and what a polymer is by the end of this video. These two words give way to molecules that make up everything that is life, from the simple bacteria all the way up to the giant blue whale, and everything in between. These words will lay the foundation for our next unit into health and understanding what you are and what you do affects your body. Let's take a look at it. What are macromolecules? Macromolecules are molecules that are essential to the function of life. They can be very large or very small. Macromolecules are molecules that are essential for life. Some of them, like sugar, give us energy. Other large ones, like proteins, do all the functions within our body necessary. Others, like lipids, perform and protect our cells, and some even store our information, like DNA. The sizes can vary from shape to shape depending on the macromolecule. There are four key groups: lipids, fats, carbohydrates, sugars, peptides, proteins, and nucleic acids, DNA and RNA. These four groups of macromolecules are essential to the survival for life. We will be looking at each one in depth much later in this unit. However, for right now, understand that these four components, lipids, carbs, macromolecules, and proteins, make up the building blocks of which all life is based upon. What are macromolecules made of? Macromolecules are made of base units called monomers. Macromolecules can be very large, but because of this, they are made of smaller subunits called monomers. These monomers stacked together can make a polymer, but suffice it to say that a monomer is the base unit. When they combine into three or more to form a larger molecule, they are called polymers. All polymers are made of simple monomers. It's a similar idea to Legos. Simple monomers can be stacked together to make complex polymers in different shapes and sizes. It's similar how you can have individual Lego blocks, stack them in different combinations to end up with all sorts of varieties of designs and patterns. For example, in a world there are carbohydrates, sugars for organisms. There are simple sugars made of one molecule, such as glucose. Glucose is a monomer. Sugar, as we know it, we can eat in our food and digest. The molecular structure of the sugar that we eat is known as glucose, and is the energy that gives us life. When you connect links of glucose together, you form a molecule called starch, which is found in potatoes and grains. Starch is a polymer made of 60+ molecules of glucose. Potatoes are rich in energy, not for the reason that they're just simply potatoes, but for the fact that one molecule within a potato contains over 60 units of glucose, thus giving it a massive amount of energy.